Hi, so I will show you how you can give access to anyone to your Google Ads account. It's very simple. There are two options to give access. Either you can give access to any individual or you can give access to any agency to manage your Google Ads account. So if you want to give access to any user, it's very simple. Just go to your dashboard of Google Ads, go to the admin section. Under the admin section, you can find the access and security. And from here, you have the option to add the user. You can add the user from here by clicking on the blue plus icon. Simply add his email ID and the access level. If you want someone to manage your campaign, then select the standard. If you want him only to read your data and analyze your campaign but do not make any changes, then use the read only access. Then you can send the invitation. That user will receive an email invitation, and by clicking on the link in the email, he can accept your invitation. So that's how you can give access to any individual, and similarly you can remove his access also from this one tab by clicking on the remove action button. Similarly, if you want to give access to any agency, then first of all you have to give your 10-digit ID that you can find on the top right corner of your Google Ad dashboard. Agency will send you an access request to your Google Ad account and you will get an email. By clicking the link in the email, you can accept his access request, or by manually going again to the admin section, then clicking on the access and security, then clicking on the manager section. Here you will see the access request from the agency and an action button to accept his request. You can grant his request from here, and agency will have access to your Google Ads account. He will have a manager access. It means he cannot remove your access, he cannot add any user, and he can't see your financial detail like credit card information. So it's a very safe method. So this is how you can give access to one person or to any agency and can remove their access. Thank you.